Hey guys, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to PyTroops. So today we are going to be developing a Zoom bot which will take our online classes automatically. So it's a really easy bot. Everyone can make it in just 2 or 3 minutes, and you can also use this technique with Google Meets or any other software that your university or school are using for the online classes. Let's get started. So first of all, let's start with creating a Python file. I'm going to create a new file and save it as zoombot.py. Okay, so basically this is the Chrome driver. If you don't know about it, I will provide the link in the description. You can just install it very easily. I did the setup of Selenium and this Chrome driver in the first video of this series. So I'm going to be saving this Python file, and first of all you have to install some dependencies, which is Selenium, as you might have already installed it after watching the first video. So after that you have to install one more library, which is let me install it, pip install keyboard. Okay, so after installing it, you will be able to access the keyboard keys from your Python script. So as you know that it is already installed in my PC, so I'm going to be copy pasting this libraries from my other window. So as you can see, and after that as you can see, this is the Selenium. You just have to install the Selenium and this keyboard, and this time and date time library is pre-installed in the Python. So after that we have to create a class. Just name it as ZoomBot, and so I'm just creating a normal method in it. It will make things easy for ourselves. So yes, after that we need meeting link. Actually when you have to join the Zoom meeting, you will be needing a meeting link or ID or password. So I'm going to be using the meeting link for it, and just wait a second. And after that we have to create this webdriver.chrome, and then we have to type the Chrome driver name here. As you can see, this is my Chrome driver name, and I'm gonna copy paste it here .exe. If you don't know about it, so you guys must watch the first video. I did the setup for the Selenium and the Chrome driver in it. Let me create an object for it, ZoomBot, and for that I'm going to be calling this method. I'm just passing ABC right now, but we'll pass the proper link later. So as you can see that by initializing it, it will open the Chrome driver for us, and we can just perform any action in it. So right now I'm going to be sending I'm going to be sending the meeting link. So it will search automatically the meeting link on the Chrome driver. So for the meeting link, what we have to do is first of all save our meeting link into a txt file. I'm going to create a new txt file in the same folder named as meeting link. Okay, so after that I'm going to be pasting this Zoom meeting link which I created before, and I'm going to be saving it. Basically this is the link. I can search it on Google and just go to the Zoom meeting as well. It will just join the Zoom meeting. So now what we have to do is link is equals to open So now let me just print it so you guys can have idea. So what is it doing? So basically it is printing our meeting link, and it is reading the link from the txt file and just printing it here. So we can use this link in our function, like here we can just provide the link here. So now whenever we call this method, this join method in the ZoomBot class, it will first of all start this Chrome driver, and then it will search this link on the Chrome driver. As you can see, this meeting link is coming from here. Okay, I'm gonna run this and opening Chrome driver, and it will search for this Zoom link. And yes, so basically this is the problem that we have to face, that this is the pop-up and we have to click this open Zoom meeting. Okay, so when we will be pressing tab 2 times, like as you can see, so we will reach to this button, and then we can just hit enter, and it will open the Zoom app and all. So to automate this process, we are going to be using this keyboard library. So I'm going to be closing this right now. Okay, wait. Okay, so what we will do, we will use keyboard library to press tab and hit enter. So now we have to just wait for time.sleep 3 seconds. We will just delay the code for 3 seconds, and then we will keyboard.send, sorry. So basically this means that we will be pressing tab button, and after that we will be releasing it. Okay, so we have to press the tab button 2 times, so we will just copy paste it another time, and after that, after pressing the tab button 2 times, and we will hit the enter button, for which we can just write enter here, and yes, that will do the thing, and in the end we will close the Chrome driver. Okay, so I put this delay here also. So now I'm gonna be running this script. Let's see if it is working or not. So yes, opening the Chrome driver, and okay, so the pop-up is disabled, and so yes, it is opening the Zoom app, and now it will join the meeting. As you can see that it has joined the meeting successfully. So after that you have to schedule the app. I'm gonna be showing how to schedule. You guys can leave your computer open, and you can just play or sleep or go anywhere, and it will join the meeting automatically. To schedule it, basically there is an built-in app in your PC, task schedule. You have to open this app, and now you have to go to this action button and create task. Okay, so when this is created, you have to type the name here, ZoomBot, like you can just name it anything, and now you have to go to this action, and then do the thing that I am doing. Type cmd and hit enter, and search for where Python. Okay, so you will get these 2 paths. Just copy paste the first path from here and paste it here, and now you have to type your script name, which is zoombot.py. And here you have to provide the path of the app, which you can find from here. Just copy paste the path here and press OK. Yes, Okay, so now you have to go to this trigger and create a new trigger, and basically this will schedule your code. Like you can just leave it open and you can just schedule it for every day, so it will run. This app will automatically be running every day at 8 p.m. You don't have to run it explicitly. So yes, as you can see that today is 19/10 and 2020, so I'm gonna be scheduling at 4:10:33. okay, so I'm gonna be scheduling at daily basis, so you can just so this app will be running on daily basis, like whenever it hits 4:10:33 p.m. so this app will run automatically. So I'm gonna be scheduling it, and as you can see it has scheduled. Okay, so now let's wait and see if it will be running or not. So as you can see that it is running automatically whenever it reaches the scheduled time. And yes, we have successfully created the Zoom bot. Now you don't have to care about anything, you can just sleep. If your class is at 7 a.m. and you don't have to, and if you don't want to join it, you can just schedule this code, and yeah, you are ready to go. It will just run automatically and you can just join any meeting or any class like that. So yeah, as you can see that it has successfully joined it. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you want me to make another bot for Google Meet, so just comment down, and you guys can reach us on any social media platform at PyTroops. So you can just text us for any queries, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. So stay tuned and be productive.